A good Thursday morning here. Mike, the Fresh Rinse, on location in Cincinnati, Ohio oh man, this is a project. I don't know what I was thinking when I came back in the winter to price this. This is an absolute mess. I'm doing all the concrete, front and back. That's the easy part, though it is tragically in terrible, terrible shape. But the worst part is I'm doing all of these stones here all the way around. And I want to take you over here and show you the vastness of this. Essentially what I'm going to do is take my AR-45, shoot about a 3% over everything. It's down here as well. And then let that dwell while I clean the driveway. But look at this, look at this. I'm not exactly sure why they're wanting all of this done. There's a 1/2 inch of moss on that. And the pool in the back, which is the easiest part. The walkway here, I'm just kind of dreading all of these stones, but they have been here since the 90s. So you're seeing the before, and I just got too much work ahead of me to do a lot of videoing. So there you have it. Let's get to work. Don't go anywhere. All right, the driveway is virtually done. I have post-treated it, going to let it do its thing. You see here the moss on these paver, whatever you call these things, is dead. Now I'm going to use the turbo nozzle with a 3-foot lance and blast it away. I'll do this all the way around, all of these timbers, all the way around the other side of the house, and then I will post-treat it again at about 3%. Should look brand new. Blowing toupees off an old man. It's good. So here's the backyard project. They are going to restore this pool. At least that's what they tell me, and that's the goal. They're literally going to sandblast all of the metal around. Of course, clean all of this out. All I'm doing is the concrete around. I know it's a little bit premature, but that's what they want. Okay, we're done and we're right on schedule. Take a look around a little bit, see what we got. Again, all of the paver wall here, all the way around, all of this, and it came out great. Here's the driveway. Came out nice. Let's take our skills around back. So yeah, I'm happy with it. See a little bit of deterioration in the concrete, but overall, it came out very, very nice. They've got their work cut out for them. All right, we're gonna head to opportunity 2 of 4 on the day. My name is Mike, I'm the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.